People typically think that the appropriate time for children to start reading is when they enter kindergarten or grade 1. But actually learning to read at an early age is important for the development of the child. It helps them develop a better understanding of their surroundings, helps them build self-confidence, and helps to motivate your child. Being able to read will help your child learn more about the world, understand directions on signs and posters, allow them to find reading as an entertainment, and help them gather information. But how and what is the best way to teach your children to read? Well, recently I found a program created by Jim and Elena that can help parents to easily teach their children to read. The wonderful thing about this program is that as long as your child is able to speak, it will help you teach your child to read fluently. It's only take 10 to 15 minutes a day for you to teach your child to read with the best, simple and effective ways. I did not expect to see small 3-year-old children capable of reading children's books. But this program have proven it. The wonderful thing is that throughout the entire program, your child learns to read, and develops phenomenal reading and decoding skills without memorizing any phonics rules. This is why their program is so effective at teaching children to read. So check out by click the link in the description below this video to get the best way to teach your child to read. You will find more about the program and real reviews from real people. I hope this helps you like other parents who have tried this program. And also can help more parents in teaching their children to read. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you can share this video with your friends. I would really appreciate it. Thank you and see you.